Hi there, Carl here from Cleaning How To. Okay, so have you ever bought an ash vacuum and gotten really irritated because it blocks up and clogs with, funnily enough, ash every 5 minutes, and you have to keep emptying the machine, then going back, dusting out the filter inside it because it's clogged and it's not sucking up, doing the job that it's designed to do? If so, we have an answer to your problem. That is the Shopvac ash vacuum. Now, this vacuum is way better than a generic branded ash vacuum that you might pay, I don't know, 50 euros, $50, $60 for. It's a little bit more expensive, but there's a really good reason. And when I unbox it and compare it to a standard ash vacuum in a few minutes, you will see, or in a few seconds, you will see exactly why. First and foremost is Shopvac filtration. Shopvac filtration, as I mentioned before, is amongst the best filtration in the world. This vacuum, and this is the big difference between a standard ash vacuum and the Shopvac ash vacuum, is this housing here. You've got your first stage of filtration in the box. So rather than that clogging, that filter leads in. It is obviously a Bagless machine. That filter leads in to this internal Hepa filter. Now, the Hepa filter alone is more expensive than you might pay for a generic ash vacuum. That means that that filter is more expensive than other ash vacs, the entire vacuums. So the filter is a key component to the successful operation of this machine. Because you can actually take the filter out of here, you can take this out of the machine, brush it off into a bag if it gets clogged up, back into the machine, and you're ready to rock in about 20 seconds. So the big difference, as I mentioned, is the filtration system in the Shopvac versus the filtration system in the generic vacuum. And what that basically is comprised of is a non-Hepa filter in this machine. This is your internal filter. So that is going to clog up in probably about 250 grams of material go into that tank, and the machine is going to clog. And every person that I've spoken to that has bought an ash vac and bought one of these cheaper machines has basically said that it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. It's clogging within a few minutes. It goes out in the garage and they never see it again. And it just sits on the shelf, lonely and unhappy, which I would be too if I wasn't designed for purpose. You've got a wide aperture, I think it's aluminium piece, which obviously will take wide aperture pieces of detritus from whatever you're vacuuming out. So we'll actually take smaller lumps of charcoal from a barbecue, your wood pellet remnants, what have you. You've also got your detailing tool. Use that with a decent brush to get in around your crevices in your fireplace, and you're pretty much good to go. So I'm just going to demo the machine in use, and I'm going to use my detailing tool to demo it. As you can see, completely empty, no loss of suction, and the machine is still working away really well. We're not clogging, we're not getting frustrated with the machine not doing its job, and if I actually pull out this internal filter, there isn't even any ash in here. That filter is still untouched and performing absolutely as it should. So that's it for today's video with me and the Shopvac ash vac. If you would like to buy this machine, please click our links below. Watch our other videos on the channel. We've plenty more coming. And also, please do like, subscribe and comment. If you've had the frustrations of having a bad ash vacuum, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.